Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be what I eat in a day as a Zumba instructor, and apparently what she's going to eat in a day too, starting with my finger. Okay, so I'm starting my day off with my protein shake. It's just in here. I will show you how to make that in the next clip or so.
Okay, so for my protein shake, all you're going to need is some peanut butter. I usually use a big tablespoon, some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, a frozen banana, which you can kind of see, and 2 scoops of this protein powder that I like. This is my favorite protein powder. Okay, so to make it, I just add everything to the blender. I usually start with the banana, and then I add in about a cup or so of almond milk, depending on how thick I want it. Then I add in the peanut butter and then the protein powder at the end. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it's been all mixed up, and I'm just going to put it in my, technically it's a travel coffee mug that I put it in, but I use it for my protein shakes.
And while I'm drinking that, I'm going to take my vitamins for the day as well with my water. So, and I do have my vitamin routine on here somewhere, but I just take a probiotic, an iron supplement, a B complex, and a multivitamin in the morning, as well as my other meds, which I'm not sharing. So, yeah. Okay, so it's noon. I just finished my protein shake about a half an hour ago, so I'm not really hungry yet, but I am going to have a Coke. And usually I would either do coffee or Coke, but since it is noon, I'm just going to go on and have a Coke. And I know it's not the healthiest, but I think I deserve one treat a day if I do. I've worked out for 2 hours today. Well, I'm going to work out for 2 hours today. I already did 1 hour, and I'm going to do another hour later, so I think I deserve to have a Coke today. And that is my one thing. I'm not going to diet. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to eat what I want. And if I want a Coke, I'm going to have one. So, this is just real. If you wanted a healthy eat with me, you came to the wrong channel. Because if you want me to drink water all day, and that's it, and eat vegetables that are mostly water, it's not going to happen on this channel. Not all the time, anyway.
So for lunch this day, I had leftover chicken enchilada soup, and I do have a recipe for that, and I just had it with some of these tortilla chips.
Okay, so I'm watching TV in the living room, so I had to walk in my bedroom. Hopefully you can't hear the TV, but I'm having about half of this. There was half in it when I started drinking it, and then I realized I need to show it. So yeah, I had some of this with lunch. I'm going to finish it off, and I'm going to cut myself off from having anything else to drink until I get to Zumba, because if I drink anything else, I'll get in there and piss my pants. And I really don't want to do that today. So yeah, and I'll drink water during Zumba. So yeah, and then I'll check back in with you when I get home, showing you either my snack or what I'm having for dinner. So yeah. Okay, so this is totally not like me. I don't usually have a snack before dinner, but I am starving, and I just really want something sweet. So I'm gonna have Oreos and milk. And no, I'm not gonna eat this entire pack, even though I probably could. But even though the last 2 weeks this is all I've wanted for a snack, so yeah. So I'm gonna eat that, probably have dinner in about an hour, and yeah.
Okay, so for dinner I just did Kraft macaroni, and I had a few slices of ham with it. Usually I would have a sandwich, but I am trying to watch how much gluten I eat, so that's why I only did this. Okay, and at the end of the night I always have my magnesium and half of my meclizine, which you will see, yep, right there. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know, and thank you for watching.